designing a lash map for your client, you must always keep in consideration their eye shape. There are 3 different eye shapes that you want to remember. My model Jazz here has a cat eye shape, and if we quickly take a look, you'll see that her outer tear duct sits higher than her inner tear duct. So with an eye shape like this, which is called a cat eye, you want to start with shorter lengths, graduate to longer lengths right above the pupil of her eye, and keep it going right to about the arch of her eyebrow, and then slowly start to taper it in right when you get to the end. What this does when she opens her eyes, it elongates her face. Now the thing is about this particular lash map, that map would not look good on me. Why? Because I have a droopy eye. And what does that mean? That means that my outer tear duct sits lower than my inner tear duct. So if I tried to do that on me, I would look sad, like a sad dog. It wouldn't look good on me. What I look good with, or a droopy eye looks good with, is length right in the middle. So say you start with a 7mm on the inner, say you go up to an 11 or 12 in the middle, bring her right back down to a 7 right on the outer. Now our other model here, Mia, has an open eye. Her outer tear duct is horizontal and symmetrical with her inner tear duct. That means she's like the unicorn. Like anything will usually work on her. So like you can go wild on this one, except that the ones that work the best though are always having length in the center. So the way that you can always plot the center of somebody's eye is have them look right at you and then put a dot. You can use an expo marker. Don't use a permanent Sharpie or anything. You can use an expo marker. You can use a eyeliner pencil, mascara, some kind of makeup that you can easily remove. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna plot a dot right at where her eye pupil starts and right at where it ends. Because that way you know that when she's looking at you, you know exactly where the center of her eye is at all times. And you wanna do that before she sits down with the iPads on and closes her eyes.